Hello everyone, Namaste. Today we are going to see a video of solution of the certain selected problems taken from the pair of straight lines of additional mathematics for grade 3. Okay, we solve this the solution of the problem. Okay, now we start the lessons, and I've selected 7 questions from the pair of straight lines, and 1 to 6 are the 2-mark questions that may be asked in question number 8, and this is the question number 7 is the long questions, and all the questions are of different forms, different categories. Before solving the problems, we discuss about some important formula and notes of this unique pair of straight line. So first of all, look at the first notes. If the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and a prime x plus b prime y plus c prime equal to 0, then the combined equations of this line pair is given by ax plus by plus c times a prime x plus b prime y plus c prime equal to 0. This is the combined equation, and this gives the equation of pair of line in second degree form. And another important formula is angle between the line pair. Okay, is given by tan theta is equal to plus minus 2 under root h square minus ab whole divided by a plus b. This is the most important formula of this chapter. And two more formula. The condition of perpendicular. The two line pairs, are perpendicular if the sum of a plus b equal to 0. That means a is the coefficient of x square, and b is the coefficient of y square. Okay, and this a and b are obtained from the homogeneous equations ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. This is the homogeneous equation. Look at here in the last one, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 is known as the homogeneous equations of second degree in x and y. Okay, this is the homogeneous equations where there is term has the degree 2, the degree of second term is also 1 plus 1 2, and the degree of third term is 2. So it is homogeneous in degree, and the variables are x and y. So it is a homogeneous equations of degree 2 in x and y, and where a is the coefficient of x square and b is the coefficient of y square, and 2h is the coefficient of xy. So in angle between the line pair, we have to find a, b and h. A, b, h. Okay, and then use this formula to find the angles between the line pair. And to prove that the line pair are perpendicular, we have to find the sum of these two coefficients. And if it equals to 0, then the line pair are perpendicular. Similarly, if this quantity h square minus ab equal to 0, then the line pair coincide to each other. That means the line pair are same. They are identical in this case. Okay, 5 we have already discussed. So now we start the solution of first questions. Okay, remember this. This is the homogeneous equation of second degree. A is the coefficient of x square. B is the coefficient of y square, and 2h is the coefficient of xy. Okay, now we start the first questions. Solution of 1. So what we have given two equations here. We have given the two equations x minus 2y x equal to 2y. So look at here. The equation should be in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is not in that form, so you write this x minus 2y equal to 0. And another equation is 2x is equal to y, and also minus y equal to 0. So there are two equations. Now combining these two equations, these two questions, we get 2x minus y 0. On multiplications, as usual, minus 4xy 2y square equal to 0. So 2x square 5xy plus 2y square equal to 0. Okay. This is the required combined equation of the pair of straight line x is equal to 2y and 2x is equal to y. Okay. Now we solve the question number 2. Question number 2 is solution of 2. Look at there, the two questions are given. Pair of lines, yes. Here, x square minus 2xy cosec alpha plus y square equal to 0. This is the given homogeneous equations in xy of second degree. We have to find the angle between the line pair given by these equations. Okay, we have to find the angles. So first we find A, B, H. Okay, A, B and H by comparing the equations with the homogeneous equation, these equations. So comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we get a equal to 1. Coefficient of x square a, coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, and 2x equal to, that's the coefficient of xy, so coefficient of xy is minus 2 cosec alpha. Okay, minus 2 and cosec alpha. These two quantities are the coefficient of xy. So minus 2 cosec alpha. Therefore, s is equal to minus cosec alpha. And finally, b, the coefficient of y square. That is, coefficient of y square, it is 1. So we have obtained the value of a, b and h. Now if, so alpha is there. So if theta b, if it is alpha, that theta, then you have to let it alpha. Okay, it is alpha, so we let it theta. Theta be angle between the line pair. Then tan theta equals plus minus 2 root over h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Okay, now clear it. Okay, let us clear all. Then tan theta is equal to plus minus 2 root over the value of x, that is minus cosec alpha, square of minus cosec alpha is plus cosec square alpha, minus the value of a is 1, value of b is also 1, whole divided by a plus b, 1 plus 1, and this equals 2. Now look at here, cosec square alpha minus 1 divided by 2, and 2 same quantity in numerator and denominator, we can cancel it, and this equals plus minus cosec square alpha minus 1 root over cosec square alpha minus 1 equal to cot alpha. Remember this. Okay, this is a formula from class 9 of trigonometry chapter. So we write cot alpha. So we have got tan theta equal to plus minus cot alpha. So we have to now this equal to cot plus minus alpha. Okay, so since to get the value of theta we have to convert this cot into tan. So by formula that cot A is equal to tan 90 plus 90 minus A, okay, or minus plus both you can write here, so you write it plus minus A equals tan 90 minus plus A, so we can write that tan 90 minus plus A, okay. So the value of theta is, A means say alpha, it is alpha, so theta is equal to 90 minus alpha or 90 plus alpha, okay. This is the required answer of the angle, okay. This completes the solution of 2. Now next we solve the question number 3. Let us see. Find the value of m if mx square minus 5x minus 6y square equal to 0 represents perpendicular lines. Solution of 3. Here the given equation is mx square minus 5xy minus 6y square equal to 0. Okay, so the line pair are perpendicular. So the perpendicular condition is, what is the perpendicular condition? Condition of perpendicular of the line pair, that is a plus b equal to 0. What is a? A is the coefficient of x square. What is b? B is coefficient of y square. Okay. Okay. I forgot to write down. A equal to coefficient of x square, b is equal to coefficient of y square. So to get the value of a and b, this is a condition of perpendicular. We have to compare the given homogeneous equation with the standard homogeneous equation of degree 2. So comparing with ax square plus 2xxy plus by square equal to 0, we get a equal to m and b equal to minus 6. Okay, now since the line pairs are perpendicular, okay, line pair are perpendicular, so we have a plus b then equal to 0, or the value of a is m, value of b is minus 6 equal to 0, and this gives m equal to 6. Okay, this is the required value of m. Why we are not determining the value of s? Because in perpendicular case only we need a and b, so s is not necessary to find. We do not compare the coefficient of xy. Okay, now question number 4. Look at the question number 4. Find the value of m if the line pair given by m minus 6x square minus 8xy plus my square are coincide to each other. So here the given equation is m minus 6 times x square minus 8 minus 8xy plus my square 0. Okay, now remember what is the condition of coincidence? You know, the lines are coincident. They coincide to each other when they are coincident. The line pair are identical. So the condition of coincident is h square minus ab equal to 0. This is the condition of coincident. Okay. So the two line pair are coincident if h square minus ab equal to 0. So we need a, b and h. So now we compare. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, we get a, the coefficient of x square, is m minus 6. And coefficient of xy is 2x, and here the coefficient of xy is minus 8. And coefficient of y square is b, here the coefficient of y square is m. So now, since the lines line pair are coincide to each, oh sorry, hey, x is equal to minus 4, each other, okay, then h square minus a times b equal to 0. Now putting the value of h square, that is the value of h is minus 4, the square of h is 16. Value of a is m minus 6 and the value of b is m equal to 0. So now we got m times m square minus plus minus plus 6m equal to 0. Now taking to the right, 0 is equal to m square minus 6m minus 16, or let us see in that case here, or you write m square minus 6m minus 16 equal to 0. Now factorizing these questions, get m square, it is a 16, 1 is a 16, and 8 to the 16. Okay, 16 is 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So this minus 6 can be rewritten as minus 8m plus 2m. Minus 16 equal to 0. 8 to the 16 and minus 8 plus 2 equal to minus 6. So m is common to first two terms. M minus 8 plus 2 is common. M minus 8 equal to 0. Or m minus a is a common factor of these two terms, and the remaining terms are m plus 2 equal to 0. So either m minus 8 equal to 0, this implies that m equal to 8, or m plus 2 equal to 0, this implies that m equal to minus 2. Hence, required value of m is minus 2 or 8. Finished. This is the completion of the question number 4. Okay. Now we solve the next questions. Question number 5. Question number 5. Okay. The given questions here. Find the value of k. Line represented by this are coincide to each other. Okay, the same questions. Okay, here. Kx square minus y square minus 2 xy tan theta plus y square sec theta equal to 0. Okay, so rewriting to the general form of homogeneous equations. Okay, so we have to take this y square and y square common. So kx square minus 2xy tan theta, writing in the general forms, minus, if you take y square common, then we get sec theta plus 1 minus, I take plus y square, then you will get sec square theta minus 1. Why we are doing this? Because sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Okay. So taking plus y square common from this and this minus y square, we get this. Now this is the standard form of homogeneous equations in second degree form. So now we compare. Comparing with ax square plus 2xy plus by square equal to 0. We get coefficient of x square a. Here the coefficient of x square is k. And coefficient of xy is 2s. Here the coefficient of xy is minus 2 tan theta. Okay. Minus 2 and tan theta. And therefore s is equal to minus tan theta. And the coefficient of y square is b, and here it is sec square theta minus 1. And this sec square theta minus 1 is tan theta. Okay. Now let us see the questions again. We have to find the value of k if the line are coincide to each other. Okay, so what is the condition of coincidence? That is h square minus ab equal to 0. This is the condition of coincidence. So now we use since the line pair coincide to each other, then h square minus ab equal to 0. Okay, here this time here h square, the value of h is minus tan theta, so we can write one thing, remember. Okay, tan square theta, sorry, sec square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, so h square is tan square theta minus tan theta, square of minus tan theta is tan square theta, minus the value of a is k times, and the value of b is tan square theta, and this equals 0. So what we have here, we have to find the value of k. So taking tan square theta is equal to k times tan square theta, therefore k equal to tan square theta by tan square theta. Both cancel out, therefore the value of k is 1, which is required value of k. Okay, let's complete the solution of question number